Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Snyder. If you're new to my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on the video. So today's vlog, it was so interesting. So it was my first time actually to do like a lace wig, like putting a glue and cutting off the lace. So I have never ever cut like a lace frontal. I usually go to like my hairstylist and she will charge me like about $45. So I was like, you know what, there's always a first time, so I have to learn. So I went to the beauty supply store and I bought the glue bond, which is really strong. So one thing about this glue, you want to avoid your hair, and I'm the type of a person, like I have so many baby hairs, so I was having so difficult time like to when was my time to remove the glue was all over my natural hair, which was really bad, and some of my edges came off. So you want to be careful with these glues. So yeah, so today's vlog, I was showing you guys how to put on like a lace frontal wig. So this is ear to ear frontal, and it's a bob wig. And it's also like a curly hair, so it's also my first time to put on like a curly hair. I do not like curly hair, but this time I did love curly hair. So one thing I didn't know about curly hair, I ended up like using brush to brush it off, and I was like, so if you use a brush on a curly hair, you're gonna lose the curls. So what I ended up doing to regain my curls back, I ended up like putting water and mousse as well. Oh my god, I love this. I didn't know that I could do this. And also like the glue stick really good, and it gives you like a very nice hairline. And also my sister was helping me like to do like a mid loop pattern. And I'm sorry I didn't show you guys how to cut the lace because I didn't have a mirror and I wanted to record this on camera. But I have another wig which I'm gonna do another tutorial, I think maybe on Friday or maybe on Wednesday. So I'm gonna show you guys how I'm cutting off the lace. So I hope you enjoyed this vlog and give me a thumbs up. Comment below, let me know what you think about this video. I am so in love with this wig. It came out so perfect, and I did not also put baby hairs because I'm not a huge fan of baby hairs on a wigs. But when it comes to my natural hair, I like to put on baby hairs. So I wanted this wig to be like as natural as possible, even though it's a wig, but I wanted to look like my real hair on my head. So I hope you understand what I'm saying. So let me know what you think about this wig. Oh my god, I was so impressed that I could do this because normally I usually wear my wigs without a glue, and this wig fit really good, but it doesn't need a glue. But I was just showing you guys how to install a wig with the glue if you want to. So if you're gonna use this glue, make sure it's gonna stay for a week, because the mistake I did put on a glue bond and then I removed it the same night, which was difficult. So I have learned my lesson. So if you want to do this, maybe you're going on vacation, then I will advise you to put a glue and then let it stay for a week, because this glue is really strong. So let me know what you think about this wig, and I will see you guys on the next vlog. Bye, and subscribe, like, and if you're new to my YouTube channel, welcome. And I'm Snyder, and feel free and tell our friends to tell a friend about my YouTube channel. So guys, this is how the wig look like. I love it. As you can see, I only spray water and mousse and then put my finger in between, like, you know, just go in between the wig, and it looks really nice and good. And when you do that, you're gonna regain your curls back, and I love it so much. I like the fact that I didn't put baby hairs. Like I say, I do not like baby hairs on my wig. They look so funny. I don't like it. And this wig, you can put it up in a bun in the middle, and I'm gonna show you guys when I'm playing around with it. So let me know what you think about this wig. So give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share the video. Follow me on Instagram at Snyder Beauty. That's my business page, and you can follow me on my personal page at Snyder Mary. So you can contact me over there, and I will see you guys on the next video. You see that? Yes, that's what we're talking about. So guys, see you on the next vlog.